In this video, I'll be sharing a few simple tips to make your pencil drawings look more professional. Watch the whole video to get a clear view of each point because one is connected to the other. Use better materials. This includes better paper, pencils, graphite or charcoal, erasers and blending tools. If you are a beginner, you may not know about the different qualities of drawing materials available. But for starters, I won't be advising to invest a large sum of money initially, but certain standards are required for creating a better drawing. These are some of the good quality materials for pencil drawing out there. You can check more from the link in the description below. Use grid method. If you are passionate about realism or realistic drawings, use grid over your reference pictures and try to replicate the lines and shades on the drawing sheet using same proportions. There are many grid making apps available in the app stores. You can check them out. Use references. While using references, it doesn't necessarily mean realistic pictures or portraits. You can try anime, manga, nature or anything else of your choice. Using references will give you a more precise and in-depth picture about what you are going to draw. After choosing a reference, tune the image to different contrast and brightness to expand your field of perception. This helps to understand shapes, areas of lights and shadow, and textures. Try drawing from life. This method is also called still life drawing. Arrange a few utensils or objects with simple shapes on a table or a stool in a composite manner. Try drawing that arrangement. Don't feel bad if you fail the first time. This method, once mastered, will help in gaining control over freehand technique. Smudging technique. Smudging is one of the easiest techniques in pencil drawing. There are other methods like hatching or cross-hatching, scribbling, etc. This method gives more realistic and professional look to your drawings. You can use cotton swabs, cotton, tissue paper or blending stumps. Try not to use your hand for smudging. It may not be appropriate. Choose a calm environment. Art is all about creativity. Creativity happens only when our brain is working efficiently without disturbances. Choose a comfortable atmosphere when you sit down to draw. Invest more time and practice. Time and practice are the key components. Both come under the same roof. Draw every day. Spend good time if you are really passionate. Be patient and practice well. Remember, Rome was not built in one day. So the more you practice, better will be your result. So that's it guys. Hope these tips come in handy and thank you all for watching.